Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm gonna do a special unboxing, the Vanguard Start Deck Blaster Blade. Alright, here is the deck itself. Now, before I go into the unboxing, I know some of you Gunpla models, Gunpla fans out there were wondering what's this video about. Like, it's not Gunpla. What's it got to do with this? Well, if you guys didn't know by now, I actually play Vanguard. Like, I think if you go back to my older videos, like way back when I was a teen, like that was really way back then. You guys may notice I did make a few Vanguard videos back then, though it's not like great to be honest, because I was a kid, plus I'm quite new to the game back then. But yeah, I did make a few Vanguard videos back then, but those I didn't really do much in terms of like the audience, so I decided not to do much, not posting Vanguard videos anymore. But I decided, I decided to just try something different this time because, in fact, I did make a deck profile of a deck I have recently. Though I did not upload it. I mean, I did upload it on YouTube, but I made it unlisted, so only a few people can watch it. And maybe I might. Actually, I won't do it anymore because what's the point? The deck's already way beyond the supports from the original boosters. So do give me the chance to actually let me make a Vanguard video because it's quite frankly I want to try something new, and hopefully if people do like this, then I might continue on making these kind of videos. So I mean, yeah, let me try something new. Let me give me a chance. So yeah, so basically, yeah, this is the starter deck for possibility. And as you may notice this box is really small as compared to like a the trial decks. Trial boxes are bigger. You get to see cards inside, and you get foils. And speaking of foils, this deck does not come any foils, although you do get an alternate art blaster blade and some other reprints in this deck, which I'll talk about later. But yeah, basically it's a start deck. So if you want to play, if you're starting to play Vanguard, this is the best, possibly the best deck to start off with and try out before you actually get more into the game. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. And these are the new cards in the deck. Not new cards. I mean this is a new card. The card trigger is new. That is King of Knights Alfred. It's reprinted in his deck, although you only get one in the deck. Kind of wish they reprinted Monarch Century Alfred in a way, but King of Knights is fine. I've seen they also have the Shadow Paladin deck, which is like just like this, except the reprint Phantom Blaster Dragon, which is even more better than this, if I put it honestly. But I'm putting up a Silver box. So yep, you get an alternate art blaster blade. That's pretty cool. On the back, you can see a QR code if you go and look at the Vanguard channel on YouTube, the Japanese one, not the international one. Okay, let's get it open. Where is my knife? Oh, yeah, clip my nails today. Okay, all right, let's open the box. Trying to do it. Oops. Yeah, it's not opening, is it? Okay. Alright, so your side first. Okay, yes, one side. I think I didn't open it away. There we go. Okay. Put the knife away. And let's open the deck. I'm really excited to see that. Look at the package ready. Yeah, there we go. It's ready, just in case because I want to keep. Oh, jeez, like, take it real good. I type. Come on. I know you can do it. Okay, there we go. You can see the open the box. Okay, there we go. Yeah, turn the box, but never mind. I don't need the box anyway. Yeah, so here we go. This is the deck itself. In the first card I get is Blaster Blade, of course. That's the alternate art. Yes, okay, never mind. Let's open the little. Yeah, you don't get any playmat, nothing. Just the deck itself, and yeah, it is what it is basically. So let's that's some kind of oops. Okay. Some I don't know. Basically how the game works, but basically it's useless because it's once you know how to play the game, that's fair by me. So okay, the first card you get in the deck is the alternate art blaster blade. Let's put in the sleeve just to make it a little nicer. There we go. So yeah, basically that's the unfortunately not foil, so that's sad, but at least it's alternate art, so it's perfectly fine. So basically, this is your alternate Blaster Blade. Basically, first skill, if you have 4 more rear guards, gets 1 critical. And second skill is when you place it in a Vanguard rear guard circle, you combat 1 soul pass 1 and choose an opponent's front rear guard and retire it. So that's that. That's the Blaster Blade. Now, this is, I guess, why people want to get this deck. This is the reprint of the so-called of the start deck. Here on this Alfred. First skill is combat 1. Once per turn, you combat 1. You search your deck for one Blaster Blade, call it regular circle, and you get 5,000 to end of turn. Second skill is if you have a Blaster Blade on the field, this unit get 10,000 during your turn. So 10,000 during your turn. So yep, that's good. You get 3 Alfred earlies. Basically, the skill is combat when you place it on a regular circle, you combat 1. You wait, let me check. It's been a while. You combat 1. You call up to 1 Blaster Blade from your hand or your soul to regular circle, and then he gets 10,000. Blaster Blade gets 10,000 power. If you call, you draw a card. So that's that. I'm not going to use this one really. I have a reason why I bought this deck. 4 Star Drive Dragons. The so-called vanilla grade 3 of the deck, but it's basically if you have more rear guards, if you're in rear guards, if you got more 3 or more rear guards, you get plus 5k. And you get the normal Blaster Blade in this deck. So because it has to be, you get 3 Galatins, the grade 2 vanilla, 10k shield. And you get this card, I'm not sure his name, let me check real quick. Knight of Devotion Burgess. Basically, he becomes, when you have a grade 3 on the Vanguard circle, he gets plus 3k continuously. So it doesn't matter if it's your turn or your turn or his opponent's turn. You always be 14k if you got a grade 3 on the Vanguard circle. So that's pretty neat. You get 4 Night Squire Allen. Basically, when you place on the Vanguard circle, you combat 1. You call. Okay, I think you call the a rear guard from your hand to the rear guard circle, and then you if you call, you draw a card, and this unit gets 3k. So yeah, I mean I had 4 versions, so there's no point using this. You get 3 Wingles. Basically a Blaster Blade support. If you boost a Blaster Blade, I think if you have Blaster Blade in the same column as this guy, he gets plus 5k. So that's pretty neat. You get this guy. I can't remember his name. Let me check real quick. Radical Knight NL. So basically, when it doesn't matter when he's in the battle, he has 3k. So he becomes the 11k booster. I think Burgess and this guy was in the booster set, if I'm not mistaken. You get 4 perfect guards, the great ones, basically. The normal stuff. You get your starter, Glime. That's when you ride him on, draw a card, as you guys all know. You get 4 Fogos, a critical. You got the new critical, which is Lu. It's a new critical, that's pretty interesting. You get 4 draws. And you get 4 heals. And of course you get 4 Mushback as well. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for the deck, like the deck unboxing. I mean, it's the start deck, so I was hoping these guys would be foil, but unfortunately not. That's about it. So I thank you guys for watching this little unboxing video I made. So I hope you guys appreciate like these kind of videos, because I may not do this often, but if you guys liked it, then I'll be glad to make more of these. So yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this little deck unboxing. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.